Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing basic elementary shapes, and in previous videos you learned angles, interior and exterior of the angle, and about adjacent angles, and I have solved some examples from your exercise 9.3. So try to solve that all the examples. Then what about in today's class? In today's class we are going to discuss about triangles. Yes, triangle. See here, when three non-parallel lines, see here, when three non-parallel lines join the whichever figure formed, for that we are calling triangles. Okay, triangle means it has a three sides, three vertices and three angles. See here, 1, 2, 3. Three sides are there, three angles are there, and three vertices are there, and it is a closed figure. Yes, already you know about closed figure and open figure. So this is when three line segments joined, and this type of closed figure we are calling triangle. I hope you understood. So let us name this A, B and C. Tell me here, how many sides are there? Yes, here three sides are there, A, B, B, C, C, A. How many sides are there? A, B, B, C and C, A. So these are line segments. So name it as a like this. Next, how many vertices are there? If one corner is there, means if one point is there, means that is vertex. If more than one are there, means they are vertices. So here how many vertices are there? Just tell me. Here three vertices are there, A, B and C. A, B and C. Yes. Next, here how many angles are formed here? Just see. Yes, here three angles are formed. Angle A, angle B, angle C. If you are writing, this is also correct. If you are writing A, B, C, angle A, B, C. Next, B, C, A, angle B, C, A, and one more is there, C, A, B, angle C, A, B. So this type you have to name. Triangle means, yes, triangle means it is a three-sided figure, three-sided closed figure, and it has three sides, three vertices and three angles. Okay, I hope you understood this. Here one more concept will come, that is interior of the triangle, exterior of the angle and boundary of the triangle. Okay, if point is there inside, then that is interior of the triangle. If point is there outside, then that is exterior of the triangle. And here if the point is lying on the triangle, then that is on the triangle. Okay, so I will take one example from your exercise 9.3. From your exercise 9.3, page number 133, and that is ninth main. What is that? Is ninth main, exercise 9.3, ninth main, and the question is in the figure, yes, in the figure, the points which lie, the points which lie, yes, where they lie? See here, in the interior of triangle ABC, in the interior of triangle ABC. Yes, first question is. Next, second question is, means here they given A, B, C, like this questions. On the exterior of triangle ABC, and one more question they asked, and that is on the boundary of triangle ABC, on the boundary of triangle ABC. Yes, here I will take that figure. They given like this, and they named it as a ABC, A, B, C. And here in the exterior the points are D, J and L and M. Very easy question is there if you understood interior and exterior of the triangle means. Okay, so here E is there and here F is there. So after watching this figure, you can tell very easily in the figure the points which lie in the interior of triangle ABC. Tell me which points are there? D, J, L, M. Interior means inside the triangle. Then tell me here L, M, J and D. Understood? Next, on the exterior of triangle ABC, which are there? F, I, P. F, I, P. Exterior means outside the triangle. I, P, F. Yes, then on the boundary of triangle ABC, on the boundary of triangle ABC, which are there? See, A, E, B, C. Yes, they are A, E, B and C. I hope you understood this. Very easy is there. That is from exercise 9.3, 9th main. Here the question asked like this. You have to solve. Okay, very easy is there. Interior, exterior and boundary of the triangle ABC. Identification is important here. Next, here one more question they asked, that is 8th main. 8th main. See here, while solving the concepts only, I am solving the exercise questions from your textbook. Okay, so try to solve this kind of examples. Very easy exercise is there. 9.3 already I have solved 3rd main, 4th main, 5th main. Now I have solved 9th main also. Now I am going to solve now 8th main. See here, the question is there. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. So here they are given like this. Here they given like this and they asked to write A, B, D and C. A, B, D, C, and the question is there, identify the 3 angles in the figure. Now I am solving this 8th main from exercise 9.3. Identify 3 triangles. Then tell me which are their 3 triangles. First one is A, B, D. Next A, C, D, and one more is there. Just for time being I will rub this. One more is A, B, C. First one triangle. Next I will draw here one more, 2, 3. So total how many triangles are there here? 3. Then which are those? A, B, C, one is there. Next here A, B, D and one more is A, C, D. So here 9th main A. 9th main A. Triangle A, B, C. Next A, B, D. Triangle A, B, D and one more is angle ACD. Triangle ACD. Understood? So total here how many triangles are there? 3 triangles are there. So symbolically you have to write like triangle ABC, triangle ABD, triangle ACD. Okay, clear? Next one more is there in the interior of triangle ABC. So what is their question? In the interior of triangle, sorry, not is there, that is B1, write the names of 7 angles. 8th main B, write the names of 7 angles. So here see how many angles are formed here. So total see here, for example I will, for time being I will have this, rub this. So how much it is? 1. Next again how many are there? See 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many angles are formed here? Total 7 angles are formed here. Then let us write which are those. See here. So I will write here now triangle BAC angle, not triangle here, triangle BAC, triangle BAC, triangle BAC. So one total angle over here. Next one is BAD. So triangle angle BAD. Okay, BAD over BAC over. Next one more angle has formed here and that is DAC. DAC. That is DAC. Next, still I have to write 4 angles. Next, ABC, triangle ABC. One more angle, ADC. Next here, few more angles are formed, that is BDA. That is BDA, and one more angle has formed, and that is CDA. Yes, that is CDA. So their total how many angles are formed here? Total 7 angles are formed. Next here, one more question is there, and that is write the name of 6 line segments. Already you know line segments. Line segment means it is a part of a line and it doesn't have a end points. See here how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total how many line segments are there? 6 line segments are there. So let us write that line segments AB, AD, AC. Next, BC. This full one line segment is there. That is BC. One more, BD and DC. See here, there is no need to worry. All answers are there in the figure. Just you have to identify and write. So this type 3 marks questions will come to your exam. So please keep practicing this kind of examples. So here one more example is there. Which 2 triangles have angle C as a common? Which 2 angles have angle C as a common? And that is angle ABC. Angle ABC, and one more is triangle ADC. See here they have a common arm, that is angle ABC and ADC. So this type you have to solve the examples. So in today's class you learned triangles. And interior and exterior of the triangle, and how to form the how to write the angles from the given figure. So here try to solve exercise 9.3, 8th and 9th main already have solved here, and that is page number 133. Solve and send it to my personal number. And in next class I will discuss quadrilaterals and how to, here also you can see what interior and exterior of the quadrilateral. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.